In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Baseus Bluetooth earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so resetting your Baseus Bluetooth earbuds can help fix a number of different issues. For example, only one earbud working, connectivity or pairing issues, earbuds not syncing with each other, not showing up in the Bluetooth list, or random disconnections. So I've outlined a step-by-step guide in how to do this. Alright, so step one, we want to remove from Bluetooth list. So go to your device Bluetooth settings, find your Baseus earbuds in the paired devices list. Tap on them and select forget, unpair or remove. Step two, place both earbuds in the charging case. So place them back in. Keep the case lid open if applicable, and then make sure both earbuds are seated properly and charging. Step three, touch and hold to reset. So touch and hold touch sensors on both earbuds for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for LED light signals such as flashing red and white, quick blinking, LED turning off and back on. This means the reset was successful. Now, if you want to reset them back to your device, step four, so take the earbuds back out of the case, wait for them to pair with each other automatically, turn Bluetooth on your phone, tap the Baseus earplugs in the Bluetooth list to pair again.